Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In last video I repaired this Delta Electronics power supply and I received comments from my viewers that why I did not replace this D810 diode. In this power supply I found this capacitor, that is here, this one, and two diodes, one fuse, and we will see in which circuit this diode is being used. Let's move to microscope. Here it is using TNY276 standby power supply section, and this is D810 diode. My viewer asked me why I did not replace this diode. It is damaged. It is not damaged. Might be there is some screwdriver or tweezer touched while opening. So it is a line on the dust. We can see this is line on the dust. This diode is good. Let's check it practically. That is this diode. In one side it is open. In forward condition it is giving good reading. So this diode is good. Here is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number 4, that is drain pin. Here is pin number 4. This one, it is connected to transformer primary winding. And this diode is connected here. So it is part of RCD snubber circuit. It is connected between these 2 points. Here is anode, cathode. Current limit resistor 100 ohm. Then 2 resistors in parallel, 2 capacitors in parallel. So RCD snubber in parallel of transformer primary winding. If this diode is short circuited, if this diode is damaged, at that time the core will not produce required magnetic field. So that will cause to drop the output voltage of this standby transformer. So in this situation this diode was good. So no need to replace. Thanks for watching.